Hello boys and girls. It's time for partially cringe vlog number 3. So আজকে আমরা যাইতেছি to the Quayside Mall, especially because Mrs. Cringe's shoulder একটা ব্যথা আছে যেটা x-ray করছে full and her spine is out of alignment অনেকখানি, যেটার কারণে ওর নেকের পেছনটা আর শোল্ডারে সমস্যা হইতেছে. So we are going to see a chiropractor যেটা ওর adjustment করে দিবে স্পাইনের. It's a small but pretty একটা mall. So I thought, hey, why not just যাইতেছি যেহেতু, why not just vlog the thing. So yeah, and আজকে it's cold, it's হালকা drizzle হইতেছে. It's perfect to go out. Mate Apparels is a Swedish clothing brand looking to expand into this side of the world. Or ambassadors খুঁজতেছে, so it'll be pretty nice to have Bangladeshis representing on behalf of Mate Apparels. Ambassador hole giveaways and income ছাড়াও, you'll be part of a community and get to know people all over the world on their Discord channel. Check out their website and contact them to see if you're eligible or not. আর যদি কিছু পছন্দ হয়, then do use my code CaptainCringeM8 at checkout for a 20% off your total order. So Mrs. Cringe alignment এখানে করাবে. This is where we are here to see the chiropractor. So let us go in.
That was good. Yes. So I see these videos on YouTube and I've always wanted to be here, and now I know what it feels like.
Ooh. I heard that from here. So প্রথম adjustment করছে and I heard a lot of কেমন লাগছে তোমার?
It is a little painful because আমরা যেমনে ঘাড় মটকাই, this is not that, but it is relaxing. I can't say it's just day one. It's been hard.
এটা ছিল একদম first session. Basically she has to do 6 months a session. So this was the first one. এখানে আমি অনেক like tracking শুনছি, and yeah, it's good stuff,
I want to
man.
give an advice. My advice to all those people যে যাদের স্পাইনের পেনে কোনো প্রবলেম আছে and your parents think it's because you're using your phone and you're on your laptop for longer hours. It's not that. just go and see a goddamn doctor, okay? Not just any doctor je bole je random x-ray karo. Let me tell you, back কোনো problem হলে random extras don't work. It's a neck and spine check you do. Please keep that in mind.
প্যারেন্টসদেরও হওয়া দরকার, মানে কশাস হওয়া দরকার, অ্যাটেন্টিভ হওয়া দরকার। যদি কেউ পোলাপান বলে যে সমস্যা হইতেছে বা মানে ব্যথা ট্যাথা, অনেক প্যারেন্টস আছে জাস্ট উড়ায় দেয়, বলে ফোন ইউজ
And to
করতেছো,
just put
সেই
it on
করতেছো।
them that it's their fault, it's because they didn't do anything, it's because they've been on their phones all day. It's not that.
ব্যাপার ছোট থাকতেই দেখানো দরকার, নাহলে পরে বড় হয়ে গেলে বড় ভেজাল লাগে। ভাই আমার এই মানুষের পিক তুলতে আমার নিজেরই অ্যালাইনমেন্ট দরকার। What's the green one?
Oh, that's the green tea.
Green tea. Can I try the green tea, please?
Boring.
It's green tea. Thank you.
Are you guys from Bangladesh?
He's from the US. I'm from Saudi Arabia,
But I'm-
yes, I am an original
Same here.
Bangladeshi. Oh,
Bangladesh? Oh.
Yeah.
কয়দিন ধরে এখানে আপনি?
No, I just started today.
Oh, you started today? ভালোই তো। একটা বাঙালি ভাইয়ের সাথে দেখা from Chittagong. Everyone's from Chittagong for some reason. আমি বুঝলাম না ব্যাপারটা। There's a McDonald's in the middle of nowhere. Wow. Pretty good. Nasi.
This is I am goreng bro.
Oh, I am going bro. Okay.
Bro.
I'm gonna see quarter pounder. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Look at that protein. Oh man, and the carbs. Is it healthy? Not really. But অবশ্যই সাথে ব্যবস্থা, you know. আমি always বাইরে গেলে I try to eat like সবচেয়ে healthiest option যেটা আছে. So, it's better than the fried foods. See you on my next vlog, guys.